Hello guys, this is Amrita. The topic of today is World Red Cross Day. So we will discuss about World Red Cross Day, which is celebrated on 8th May. It is celebrated on 8th May to commemorate the birth anniversary of the founder of the Red Cross and International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, Henry Dunant. He was born on 8th May 1828 in Geneva and the recipient of Nobel Peace Prize. On this day, the principles of the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement was celebrated. World Red Cross Day is also known as World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day. It is dedicated to the people who suffer from the shortage of food, several natural calamities, war, as well as from an epidemic disease. Basic amenities are also provided to the people who are really in need. Many governments and private organizations become active members to help needy people who suffer through several disasters. World Red Cross Day 2019 theme. The theme of World Red Cross Day 2019 was love. The theme was focused on asking people on what they love about the Red Cross and Red Crescent. It was also focused on the understanding of the public international Red Cross and Red Crescent movement by highlighting the diversity of their work and the universality of their approach by using a simple call to action. What do you love about Red Cross and Red Crescent? The theme of World Red Cross Day 2018 was memorable smiles from around the world. The theme of World Red Cross Day 2017 was less known Red Cross stories. The theme of World Red Cross Day 2016 was everywhere for everyone. The theme of World Red Cross Day 2015 was together for humanity. As we know that this day is celebrated to get the people relief from the natural calamities and other disaster activities in any country. Even government participate and make themes to aware people about the activities of the volunteers and their tasks in handling every type of problems in a better way. Several campaigns were organized by Red Cross Society effectively all over the world. The Red Cross Society mission is to inspire, encourage, and initiate all times and all forms of humanitarian activities to generate a peaceful environment. Let us tell you that the Red Cross programs are grouped into the core areas: promoting humanitarian principles and values, disaster response, disaster preparedness, health and care in the community. World Red Cross Day history. After World War I, Red Cross was introduced as a major contribution to the peace and set up an international commission and 14th International Conference of the Red Cross to study the Red Cross truce. In 1934, the report of the Red Cross truce was presented and its principles were approved on 15th International Conference at Tokyo to get applicable all across the world in different regions. In 1946, in World War II, the Tokyo proposal was put into effect. The possibility of annual celebration was asked by the Board of Governors of the League of the Red Cross Societies, LORCS, later called the General Assembly of the International Federation of Red Cross Societies. 2 years later, the proposal of celebrating annually World Red Cross Day was adopted on 8 May 1948, the birth anniversary of Henry Dunant, the founder of the Red Cross. In 1984, officially it was named as World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day. Various programs and events are organized by the International Committee of the Red Cross and its members to facilitate and promote their humanitarian activities. They even motivate people to protect their own lives and take care of the dignity of the victims. This day is celebrated by all the sections of the Red Cross organizations to help people suffering from flood, earthquakes, etc., natural disaster, and protect their life from emergencies. What are the 7 principles of the Red Cross Society? The 7 main principles of Red Cross Society are humanity. The main aim is to protect the life, health, and to ensure respect for every human being. It promotes mutual understanding, friendship, and cooperation amongst all peoples. Partiality, no discrimination should be made on the basis of nationality, race, religious beliefs, class, or political opinions. The first and foremost motive is to help the people solely on the basis of their needs and to give priority to the most urgent cases of distress. Neutrality. The main purpose of this principle is to keep everyone neutral in providing help, and the movement should not be affected by political, racial, religious, or ideological controversies. Independence. We all know that this movement is independent. The national societies, while auxiliaries in the humanitarian services of their governments and subject to the laws of their respective countries, must always maintain their autonomy so that they may be able at all times to act in accordance with the principles of the movement. Voluntary service. It is voluntary relief movement, not prompted in any manner by desire for gain. Unity. This organization must carry on its humanitarian work throughout its territory. Universality. The International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement, in which all societies and peoples have equal status and share equal liabilities and duties in helping each other, is worldwide. Red Cross Society works. The main focus of the Red Cross Society is to collect blood. Several ways are there due to which people are encouraged to support the Red Cross and donate blood. The work of Red Cross is also to provide first aid, emergency response, health and social care, preparing for disaster, refugee services, and help people in finding missing families. In fact, during times of war, the Red Cross helps to protect people in armed conflict. After COVID-19 outbreak, IFRC is coordinating with all national societies to provide support, issuing advisories, personal protective equipment, providing technical support and guidance to national societies engaged in quarantine, screening, pre-hospital, home-based and hospital care. World Red Cross Day celebrations. World Red Cross Day is celebrated to create a peaceful environment across the world. This day will also help to decrease the death rate of the people suffering from an epidemic illness. When there is an emergency, World Red Cross Day is used to handle and tackle the people from the vulnerable areas to provide every security. Conventions of Geneva are used to solve the problems of the warring nations. In various vulnerable conditions, they generate several communities to help people suffering from disasters. Each and every kind of help from the doctors or nurses are provided by them. When the army gets injured in any war, it also saves people from the war. Even financial help is also provided by the World Red Cross to the people who suffered. To show the activities of Red Cross, many local types of programs like Rath Yatra movement are organized. New volunteers also work for the good cause in guiding the representatives of the state branch and manager of the office of the branch. They work for almost 60 hours, which are known as the hours of the volunteers for the subjects that the volunteers are given the task. Many volunteers organize the blood donations as well as anemia camps for the people to get aware of many activities. Several seminars in World Red Cross Day are organized by the experienced members in many states like Kolkata, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir, etc. From various countries, states, governors and also the minister of the state attend the programs. The celebration of the event is published by the TV channels, radio talks, and also through the news channels. World Red Cross Day 2019 slogans and quotes. The red needs you. Join now. You are somebody type. Donate blood, save lives, or think safety first. Blood is the donation of life. 15 minutes can save 3 lives. Youth on the move. With each helping hand, we can bring a big change in the lives of people around us. There is only one way to celebrate World Red Cross Day, and that is by working together to make our society a healthier one. Therefore, we can say that World Red Cross Day is celebrated to encourage and help people from natural calamities, disaster, and war, etc. It not only protects their life but also provide financial help to overcome the situation. World Red Cross also promotes self-awareness and empowers youth to learn about the techniques and methods that are essential for the survival of our generations as well as the next generation. Thank you.